Hello friends, today I'll show you how to cook wild black rice with cauliflower. This rice is most delicious rice I've ever tried. It's nutty, earthy, it smells like a cake. Top it with cauliflower cooked this way. It's mellow, it's little sweet, it's nutty, it's delicious. Using enough olive oil, I soaked the rice this time for overnight, then drain it and add it to the hot oil and cook on medium-high until you see the grains started to separate or expand. Then add enough water to cover it about 1 inch above the rice. You could use hot water or cold water. Add little bit of salt, mix, cover it, and every once in a while come and check. It still have lots of liquid, so cover it. Now almost the liquid disappeared, so I will reduce the heat into low and continue to cook until it's done. At the same time, I prepared cauliflower and add it to the boiling water. Then cook for a few minutes, just a little bit tender. You don't want to cook it. After that, drain it and add it to the oil. Cook also on medium-high. Turn it from one side to the other, add little bit of salt and the black pepper. Every few minutes, come and turn it from one side to the other. Now the rice is done. I will turn off the heat. And cauliflower is done too. I will turn off the heat. Now this rice is very expensive, but if you can afford it, try it. It's worth it. You could use as much cauliflower as you like. Now testing time. I just told you it's very delicious. I wish you will try it.